Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. So today, girlies, I'm going to start off a Christmas series. So I'd say the next couple of weeks or so, it's going to be about gifting ideas and just, things that I've come across that I think will be really nice Christmas gifts. And I've got an amazing video coming in the next week or so, which I'm hoping to get out next week. I'm still waiting for parcels to come through the post, but this one is a special one because I put a post out last week over on my Instagram and on my Facebook asking for small independent businesses if they would allow me to buy something from them, and I am going to then create a video and share with all you guys different businesses that you could go and potentially buy Christmas presents for this year. Because of what's going on at the minute, it's absolutely mental and we just want to give as much support as we can. And I've got some little businesses coming that you guys are going to love. We've got for the kids, we've got for the adults, we've got for everybody, and I'm really looking forward to sharing that with you guys in a week. So if you are a small independent business and you would like to be featured in that video, then please contact me. Just stick me on Instagram, DM me over on Instagram, and I will be happy to feature you if I take my fancy and like anything to buy. Then I'm really joking. So no, if you guys would like to be featured on that video, then please feel free to DM me over on Instagram and let me know what it is that you sell, and I'll be happy to take a look and pick something out to share on my video. And by the way, just so you know, I am actually paying for these products. A couple of them have told me that they will kindly gift me them, which I am super grateful for, but I have offered to pay because I'm not doing it to get freebies out of these companies. I'm actually doing it to support them. So they have come back to me and said no, that they don't want me to pay for the products because I'm obviously advertising them. But I am so grateful and very, it's such a generous thing to do. But some of the products, well, the majority of the products I am actually purchasing. So I don't want you to think that I'm only advertising them just because I haven't paid for them. That is not the case. I have actually paid a few of the brands already, the businesses already. So yeah, that's what I just want to do something because I think it's so important that we do stick together and help, support each other wherever we can, because at the end of the day, you are there working, day and night trying to support you and your family. So if I can help just a little bit, then that will mean the world to me. And it's even just, sharing your name of your business, if that gets some recognition, that I'll be over the moon. And plus, I hope I enjoy the one because it's cupcakes. Just saying. You're gonna love that one. But anyway, let's get into today's video, and we're doing all about gifting. And yes, today we are doing, are you ready? Are you sure? Okay, but before we do, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. You know what to do, get that cuppa, and let's get into the video. Oh, and December is what? In 2 weeks? 1st of December is in 2 weeks Sunday, isn't it? Got some great news today. We should be completing on the 27th of November. I finally get to be in my home, and we're looking the 1st of December that we will be moving in. I am so excited. You just don't understand how excited I am. This weekend we're starting to really get cracking with the packing because obviously I'm working, and literally I've just come back from a jog. I probably smell, thank God you can't smell me. I need to go and have a shower, but before I need to get this video recorded so I can get it uploaded for you to be watching it right now. So anyway, let's get into the video. So today we are going to share this little beauty, and it is the Cherry Revolution bauble. It's huge, it's absolutely massive. Is it a bauble or is it like a pudding? It's a Christmas pudding, isn't it? And it's from Revolution. So let's take a look inside. Okay, so what have we got inside this little beauty here? Okay, so this is the Cherry Revolution gift set. It's £20 and it's actually worth £30. And inside you get not one but two eyeshadow palettes. So you get a big eyeshadow palette, which is the black cherry. I love the packaging to this. Okay, so that is what those shades look like, and we're going to create a quick look as well, so don't worry. And then we have a little mini palette, which is the sour cherry palette, which looks like that one. And then we've got a lip gloss, and it's in the shade chocolate. Duh. It says it right there. It says chocolate right there. But we'll just give it a quick swatch. But it's like there. So I've had a shower last night, and the two lipsticks that I shared on the video, last night's video, they've literally stained my hands. They were hardcore, not budging lipsticks. They were really good, and they were from the Beguile box. And what other box had a lipstick? One of the subscription boxes had another lipstick as well, and that's where they've come from. So anyway, back to this. That is the Cherry Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. It actually smells like cherry. So we're going to actually try this look and see what we can create. And then the last product that comes in this is the fixing spray, and it's a chocolate cherry. Oh my god, that's going to smell delicious. So, and the beauty of this is you could literally like take the plastic out and then you could just fill it up. Ooh, ow. You could just fill it up with all sorts. Okay, so I'm thinking which palette should we create a look on? I've got my base face on, I've got my bronzer and my foundation. I've got my It Cosmetics CC cream. Should we go for Tipsy? Oh, let's have a look. Well, we want something to go with the lipstick, don't we? So does this palette go more with that shade than this one? Then they all go, don't they? I'm actually feeling this palette, the mini sour one. So let's go into that. And then the reason I'm doing this is so that you guys can check it out and see if you would. All my brushes need cleaning. I'm absolutely gutted. I missed out on the Spectrum's Fantasia collection. I was waiting all day to come home and order it, and it's sold out. I'm absolutely gutted because I really had my hopes to get that collection. It looked amazing. Okay, so let's go in with, there's just all numbers. So I'm just going to take this pink shade here and put that in my crease. I thought they smelled of cherry as well. I'm sure this is a clean brush. Why is there blue coming out? Oh, unless I'm accidentally put it in the purple. Okay, so that is that colour. I'm loving that. It's beautiful. You need to go in a few times just to get that really good. Yeah, and the brush keeps going into the purple and there's a purple line coming in. I'm just so excited to share with you guys these Christmas gift ideas. So yeah, this is from obviously the Makeup Revolution, I Heart Revolution collection, the gift sets. And £20 you get 2 palettes, a lip gloss and a fixing spray, which I think is a really good deal. Okay, that's that. That is a really cute colour. And then we're going to go in with, oh my god, my brushes are so dirty. I'm so bad. I'm so bad. We're going to go in with this darker pink, a mauve colour, and then just go into the crease here. We could actually go with the other palette and mix some other colours in as well. Okay, I'm liking that. What are you thinking? I've got a Zoeva 228 brush, and then I'm going to take a bit of the purple and I'm just going to go in with the crease again. Okay, and then I'm just going to go in with the big palette. It's all purple, so it's so nice. And I'm going to go in with Tipsy, which is this shade here, and put that on the lid. Oh, that is stunning. Okay, what are we thinking? I love that. I feel like I need to put a bit more purple on my throat. I'm so sorry. A bit more purple there. Okay, and then we'll go in with the, just blend that out. Okay, we'll go in a bit more. Okay, and then let's take whatever's on the brush, dip it in the pink and purple. Okay, there's that. Just take my foundation brush and just clean up the side. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing, but hey, it looks all right. But anyway, you guys get the gist of what's going on with these palettes. They are gorgeous, so you can create many looks with that. And obviously I've gone for a more pinky one than like I would normally. And I really need to sit and clean all my brushes. They're disgusting. Right then, let's get a little bit of highlighter on, and I'm gonna go in with, we need a pink highlighter. I'm gonna go in with the Pixie blush. I think I like this blusher. It's quite natural. In a minute, don't I? That would help. A blusher. And then we'll go in with some highlight. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the I Heart Revolution Heartbreakers in the shade Unique for highlight. This is gorgeous, this is. Let me just get a highlighting brush. Mix the two together. Look at that. That's just stunning. Absolutely love it. Gorgeous, gorgeous. So that's the highlight. And if you feel it's a little bit too much, then just maybe you could take your blusher brush and then just blend it out. But you can never have enough highlight. Sorry. It's so true. Ow. Okay, and then we're going to go in with some mascara. Because I've got mascara. And obviously using my Dark Matter from Spectrum's. My little spoolie trick, and got rid of the mascara that landed there. And then last we're going to go in with the lip. Now this is going to be dark, but hey. And then that is the lip gloss. It is absolutely stunning. And it tastes like cherry as well. But my lip looks wonky. Does my lip look wonky? That's so weird. Okay, so this is, oh no, and now we need to finish off with the fixing spray, okay? Oh my god, that smells delicious. So we have finished off with the fixing spray, and it's just, that highlight's just come out even more, which we love. And that is the finished look, guys. What do you think? Does it suit me? I hate doing that. I don't know why I do it. But anyway, this is what you get inside the Cherry Revolution pudding, if that's what it is, Christmas pudding gift set. It's £20 and it's worth £30, and you get the 2 palettes, the lip gloss and the fixing spray, which I think is a really cute Christmas gift as well. So it actually goes with the 2 nails that I've got left. I seriously need to sort them out. But yeah, that is the Christmas pudding for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope you enjoyed the first day, well yeah, the first video of the Christmas series, which is going to be coming for the next couple of weeks because it's nearly Christmas and I think everybody needs a little pick-me-up, especially in the times that we are having at the minute. So getting ideas, because sometimes we all get stuck with ideas of what to buy people. This is what we're here to help you with this year, so you don't get stuck. And yeah, that's it. So thank you so much for tuning in, guys, and I'll see you all tomorrow on another video on Beauty and the Kids. Bye.